Welcome to 1101 West Monroe. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, custom home that features modern-day amenities while still maintaining old-world, craftsman-style details that make it one of the most unique homes of Bouldin Creek. At just over 2,500 square feet and built in 2008, this 5-star rated awesome green home features 10-foot ceilings and oak hardwood floors. The spacious living area opens to the chef's kitchen with an oversized walk-in pantry. From the custom American birch solid wood cabinetry to the custom-cut blue vaulted granite countertops, this space is perfect for a night in with family and friends. Call today to experience this